Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to register IDM serial key. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your IDM. As you can see, mine is right here, and if I go to the registration section, you can clearly see that my IDM is not registered. So, in order to register it, what you have to do is simply open up your Chrome browser. Once you're inside Chrome, go ahead and search for IDM trial preset. After searching, you will see an official GitHub link appear in the results. Simply click on that link and you will be redirected straight to the GitHub page where the preset files are available. Once you are on the GitHub page, simply scroll down and you will see an option to download the latest version. Click on the link provided and you will be redirected to another page. On this page, scroll down again and you will find the latest version of the IDM trial key. Click on it and it will be downloaded as a zip file onto your computer. Once the download is complete, open the zip file in your file explorer. Inside, right-click on the file and select Extract All. Click Extract again and your IDM files will be unpacked. After extraction, open the folder, then right-click on the file inside and select Run as administrator from the menu to proceed. Once you open the file as an administrator, a small window will pop up. In this window, you will see three options: Register, Help, and Trial Reset. What you need to do here is simply click on the Register button. This will display the Register IDM option. Click on it, and a waiting screen will appear. After a few moments, you will see a message confirming that your IDM has been successfully registered. As you can see, our IDM is now fully registered and ready to use. And that's it. So that's basically how you can register IDM serial key. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.